Hello guys, I'm Putin and in this video I'm going to show you about Skype. So Skype is an app by Microsoft to chat with our family and friends. So same like WhatsApp, but in WhatsApp we use our mobile numbers to sign in, but here we use our mail ID. Okay, so let's see how we can sign in to Skype, and first before that let's see how we can get Skype, and after that how to sign in and how to add friends and all the features in Skype, by the way. Okay, so who are we waiting for? Let's jump into the store and let's get the Skype first. So open your Microsoft Store and click on search and search for Skype. So you'll get all these apps related to it, but the thing which we need is this one. Don't install the Skype for Business 2016 because it's for organizational use. Check your system requirements anyway, it will support for Windows 10 surely. It will also give try to detect the requirements. This product should work on this device, so anyway we have to check it. Okay, it works for me, so click on get and then install. After you have completed the installation process, continue with this video. I'll click on launch. So now let's close Microsoft Store. So now we have successfully installed Skype and we are in its sign in page now. So click on any of the accounts if you have already used Skype, or else click on use another account. On the first you will not have these three options, you will have only sign in or sign up. So click on sign up, or if you have already an account you can click on sign in any of these three options. So I have two accounts and one use another account option. If I have I'm having an account which I haven't used with Skype yet, so I can use that account here. So I will use this one for this video. So open Skype. So after that you won't be asked with passwords because you are using an account which is already signed in before. So if you are using a new account, by clicking on use another account, it will surely ask for it. So now this is our Skype homepage, and congratulations, you have successfully signed into Skype. So now we will see how we can add our friends. So first go ahead to the search bar and type for your friend's name. Okay, started 15 minutes ago. And after you click on his name, okay, let me bring it to full screen mode for your clear visibility. Click on wave. I think my network is not good, or else it should show some details here. So this is the wave symbol. So this is how you give friend requests, and accepting it is something like it will show you accept or decline. So I'll show you later on in this video. So after this I can send some messages. Hi, I am Putin. Okay, right. So after this, how will the another ID be seeing is like Putin, I mean it's me, right? Actually it will show this account name. Isaac David invited you to join him on Skype, something like that will show. So let's see the another account. So now we are in the view of another account user. So as I have already chatted with this guy, it's not showing any details or for accept or decline. So but messages will be receiving in this order. See it over here. So here we can react to the message sent already. So it's only for the text messages. Okay, So in text messages you can reply with any of these items, right? So the required thing is not here means you can just go ahead here to the pencil icon. So I have enabled most of the reactions, nearly 40 of 60. You can add any of these. So if you want a reaction which is not shown here, you can just click on this plus symbol over here. So then click on done. So after that, if you see here, it will be shown up in this first one. So click on it and boom, you reacted to this message. Okay, so just for fun, I did just for explaining. Okay, so you can react 2 to 3 times for the same message itself. You can see here done. Okay, then with some laughing, some 3 times I have reacted. Let's see what happens the 4th time. That's it, it's pulling the message over, right? So you can react many times for the same message. Okay, I have it hidden the contact list here. I'll show you later on another account. This account I have some contacts, so I just hidden it. So let's be back to our another account view which we were using to learn. Back to our account. Now I will show you how all the chatting tricks and features. So go to your chat and you can see the 4 reactions here like this. Hover your mouse over that and you will see this reaction and with the name. So you could click on this and this is the red symbol. So if a person read the messages you have sent, it will show the symbol down, but when I'll send hi, so it's not, so after the person sees, it will come down here. Okay, so now I'll show the features here. There are some tricks too. So go to your emoji field and now below the smile you can see this colon and close bracket, right? So type that on the chat, okay, and then click on enter, and that's it. You have sent the emoji and not that colon and close bracket. Okay, so now I'll try with something else, and oh not this one, sorry. Wink, yeah. Wink is something like, semicolon is right there and then close bracket. That's winking, right? So now after this, go on to sad. Sad is open bracket and then, okay, 1 minute, colon open bracket. I'm very sad. Okay, that's a laugh. I'll laugh for some time. 1 minute now, and shift D. Okay, capital D, don't forget. So you have the laughing symbol emoji, and you could see this cool, right? So something like a code. Type in cool. When you type in cool, you'll see cool cat and many other things here. You can just click on it, so that will paste the emoji here and you can just send it, right? This is something like keyboard shortcuts. Okay, I'll show you 2 more. Heart eyes, star eyes, like, okay, something like this. Crying with laughter is CWL, and you can see star eyes. Disappointed is just disappointed. Okay, just open the back bracket and type this, so it's giving an option, so click on it and send it. So these are the hacks for chatting. And now you can type in messages here, something like hi, hello. Okay, you can type in messages here, and then this is add files. Click on it and go to your folder, any folder, and come down. Okay, this is an image which is in my which I downloaded for my desktop background, but didn't work. I think it's not good, so I just have it. So you see, this is sending. After this complete white round becomes blue, it is sent, so no need to wait till that. Send contact to this chat. Okay, so you can share a contact using this one. You can record a message too. Hello friend, how are you? Something like that. Okay, I've sent it, so you can just play it. I can't record the desktop audio, sorry. Just try it at your home. Okay, now click on this, and now you can share your location too. So sure, click on sure. So now click on your location. So now the send location prompt is opening. It will sense your location, and after that you could be able to send it. So let's move on to the next one. So video message, this is video message option. So if you click on this, you will take your video of yourself, like a selfie camera, and you can send it to your friend. It's a cool option. I'll show you how you can do that. Click on these three dots and click on video message. That way your video starts. So my camera is not good. Try adjusting it somewhat. The worst camera in the world. I'll buy a new camera soon and will show my face cam. Okay, I'll record a short video. You don't need to see this camera for a long time. So hello buddy, how are you? I am Putin. Okay, something like that. You have a time limit. It will be showing the timer. So after this, there's another feature. Okay, before that we will just play. Oh my god, my camera is very worse. I could hear the audio, but you can't because maybe you can't because my screen recorder can't record it. My screen recorder is PowerPoint. I have posted a video on YouTube about this, how to screen record using PowerPoint. So I'll give the link in the description. You can just click on it. Okay, let's move on with Skype again. You have schedule a call, which is you can schedule a call at this time. So sometime I'll find. Okay, something like 2:30, or it's already past, right? Okay, let it be 00. Okay, now click on this 14 and adjust the timing. Okay, it's actually 17 now. I'll keep it on 17:30, right? Because it's 17:28 I think now. It'll give up a reminder for our call. Okay, let it be 29. Alert is not 15 minutes before, an hour before. Okay, 15 minutes is the lowest one. Okay, let's set the time of 15 minutes from now. 15. Okay, so it will give the reminder in 1 minute. You will be seeing while we continue with the video. It's today, right? Time. Okay, date. Okay, just for fun. Okay, let's use this first. Just for fun. Okay, just funny meeting. Okay, let's click on send. So there is it. It's showing pending. This meeting is pending. So if you see you have the scheduled call here, you will later need to receive notifications at 17:30. I think we no need to wait till then. Let's proceed with the other features. So now click on this and you will see create poll option, and in this you can ask a question. What is your what is your hobby, something like that. Cubing. So actually you are online, so you will not receive the notifications. If you close the app, you will receive it. So we don't need to wait, close the app again and waste our time. So let's see other options in Skype. If you want, if you have closed the app before the notification, it will notify when the time is 17:30. It's already, because as I'm in online, it's not showing. So let's continue here. Programming. Sorry, spelling mistake. I can add an option. I'll give gaming here. It's most of the people's hobby. And reading books. Okay, let's create a poll. Okay, you could see expires on tomorrow at 17:35. So you could see this message on the top of the screen as just for fun call is in 13 minutes. Okay, so you can edit it as you are the organizer, and then you have an option called done. So you could join the meeting at the time. So now you could also vote in this poll. So I will vote as have two, but I'll just give it one. These two are my hobbies: programming and cubing. Okay, let's see how is it in the other person's view. So you can accept the call invitation. Click on it. Accepted. So now I have read all the messages as I pass through. So now the vote is for cubing. So now I'll click on cubing here too. So now if you be back to our normal view, if you click on this view details button, you could see who all voted for which. So you can do this option in your groups also, so you will have more people to vote on this. It's just an introductory video on Skype, so I just voted with one person. So you can also ask, what do you like to learn today? Mathematics, English, Tamil, something like that, as I'm a student. Okay. If you are chatting with your friends and family, you have like these questions: what's your hobby? What are you doing now? If it's going boring for you, right? To check with the others. Sitting simply, you'll give options like that. Sitting without doing anything, watching TV, something like that, you give some options. So you can just send it and people can vote on that, right? So that's the option in Skype, which is very useful for me. So let's continue with the normal account. Okay, back in our normal view, let's continue with our other features. So now go to this left side corner and again click on OneDrive. So OneDrive will be, you can also share your OneDrive documents here. So not backup, sorry, by mistake. Backupping is not required in Skype. Actually WhatsApp requires backup and not Skype. Skype can be just signed in to get all the messages back. So you have all the documents here under OneDrive documents. You can click on this and click on send file, so that the other account user can just download it and click on view file. Okay, no need to download even because this is a OneDrive file. No need to back up your messages too. This is very useful. Skype is very useful, right? So now I just close that meeting. So you can see the notifications. Then accepted your call invite, right? So okay, that's a notification. All the notifications like messages received and those details will be here. So see accepted, right? And then after this go to chat and you have meet now. So host a meeting, creates a meeting, and then you have to share the link. And join a meeting will ask for a Skype link or code, so you can join another meeting. Okay, so if you received a code through mail, you can just paste it over here. So new group chat, you can create a group chat. This is a moderated group, and new chat can be created here. Okay, click on new chat and click on type in the ID, and this new private conversation. Okay, private conversation will not mix with this normal ones, but it will show as private window in separate box. Okay, right, these are the chat features. Now calling. So when it comes to calling, you can have video and voice call as in WhatsApp, and you can create a group with a personal chat itself. So click on this icon and add the people who you need to add, and boom, you create a group. Okay, so that's it. So this is the last scene detail. If you click on it, this will open. This is the gallery, this find, everything will be here under this name. If you click on that, all the details will be there. So now you see my profile picture. Here below you have send message, start call, start video call, start private conversation, schedule a meeting, share contact, create new group within, and you have translate option here. Click on it and you can translate it to any language. So you see other details, right? Share contact is sharing this person's contact to someone else. Okay, now I'll go to profile. Profile is Skype name is this one. This is our Skype name. Click on it and copy and go trying to paste it on your paste it and invite yourself. See here, if you paste it here, you will see yourself here. Okay, right? Like that, you have to get others accounts profile and you have to chat with them. So this is not mine actually, this is another account's name. My name will be at settings, I'll show you later. Now I'll show the name alone. Other details here I will show it later. And click on Skype name and then copy. Okay, close it there. Now paste it. It will not show yourself because it's you, right? No use of chatting with yourself. So that's why I kept another account for Skype. After that, you have some other features to do with your another contact. So this is my another contact, but I can edit their names, but it will not change for them. Like, so now I will edit from Putin David to David M, right? Okay, not M B. David B. It's my initial. I am Putin. Okay. So but I have used this name David. So I will save it. So it will show for me as David V. Now let's see the other account user, how it's showing for them. Now we are in the another account holders view. You have view file option. You can click on this and view it on your web page. I have hidden all the contacts in this so that I can show you with this contact menu too. So you have all the things we have sent, right? So see that the name is still Putin David here. Okay, just to show you. So let's be back to our normal view. Back in our normal view, So now let's see other features in Skype. So you see the name is still David here, so I'll edit it back because I want it in my name. So now you can click on this, you see that the call is now, right? It's already time for the call. It's showing us now. It's already 7:45, right? 17:45, sorry. You can edit it again and say that it's not at this time but some other time. Okay, no need to join the call. So now I'll change this name. So now you can also add a phone number to this guy. Oh, sorry, you have to click on done, save. Okay, hope I didn't make any mistake. Okay, now let's go down and see. I have location here. You have to select it in your web page. You have birthday here. You can add this contact to favorites here. So you see when I click on add to favorites, you see that it's showing in favorites. I'll zoom in just a bit so you can see it's here. So now let's be back to normal. Now click on chat and you can hide this conversation here. So you can delete this conversation too. You can set conversation of separate people as blocked. Okay, notification, sorry, not conversation. And then you can delete contact or block the contact. You have these options in any account of your friend. And now click on your Isaac David profile. This is our profile. Before that we will go through these 4 tabs. Calls tab is here, so you can click on this here to call quickly, and then click on contacts, and these are all contacts you have, and these are the notifications you have. So this is the call, so click on that is use dial pad, and now you can type in any number. So if you type 3 digits, it's showing no emergency call. And now I will type in India. Okay, it's +91. okay, if you don't know any country's number, so for example, sorry, Germany, okay, it's +49. so you could give numbers after that. Okay, 1.71 rupees per minute should be given according to Indian value. I don't know about US value. Okay, so you can get a free trial here. I don't need it. Okay, then you can save that contact or just call to that. You can send SMS to that phone number, and you have some calling settings. So caller ID and call forwarding and voice mailing. So you can forward the call and voicemail it, but you can disable that option in Skype. So Skype, when Skype is running in background, you can enable showing the call window. So Skype only allow Skype calls from contacts to ring on this device. Only contacts who is using Skype to call us should ring on this device. That should also be enabled. That can also be enabled. If calls from normal devices are not coming, just click, disable this, check over, and okay. So you can enable call subtitles in any language, and you have some advanced features. Let's see. So answer incoming calls automatically. So just turn this off. Okay, but this could also be on. Just click on it, so every calls will be answer automatically. So start my video automatically. This automatically turns on your video. I don't want both of this, get lost. Okay, so now allow NDA usage. So you can enable it or turn it off. It's off by default. I'll let it be like that. And now you see all the tabs, and you know, to search people, the only thing pending is your profile. You can sign out from here. That's what I do whenever I say let's see the another account user in this video. I was just signing out and signing in with the other account. So you can set your active away and do not disturb yourself, and share what you are about to do. I'm going to school, right? Let it be I'm going to school. Okay, schools are closed. Out for lunch, okay? Or driving is locked down now. So traveling is not allowed during lockdown. Only celebrating or out for lunch. Celebration is not required. Just let's keep it out for lunch, right? Okay. Or else be right back. So I'm doing something. I'll be back in few seconds. Okay. Click on done. And after you close the window, you'll see be right back here. And whenever your contacts here, will show some thing like this here. Be right back. Okay, so now let's see on bookmarks. You can bookmark any message. I'll show you how you can do that. Go to your chat and click on these three dots and add bookmark. Okay, that's it. Now you can click on this and see bookmarks, and you'll see hello. Click on these three dots and you can forward it or do something. Okay, go. If you click on the arrow, it will go to that message which is here. You can remove your bookmark anytime from here itself by clicking on this option, or else you can just go to your bookmarks tab, and if you click on this arrow, it will take it back to the message. Instead, you click on these three dots and click on remove bookmark, so you don't have anything here. So you can also have another option, I think, as given in this. I'll just go ahead. Okay, right clicking also works. Try out that too. Right click on, or else right click on the message and click on add bookmark. So after that, back to your profile. So Skype to phones, as these before, Skype number, so you can get a Skype number which people can use to call you. So you have settings and get Skype app. So get Skype app, click on it. I think it will give up with the mobile app. Yeah, it's mobile app, I think. It's on your phone, right? So you get a code to scan. So if you scan this code, you will get Skype in your phone. I mean, you will go to Play Store and from there you can install, or click on get it on Google Play and you'll get there. After that, back to Skype again with our settings. This is the last concept we are going to see today. So account and profile. So now let's see, the profile picture is this one. So public. So public is everyone on Skype can see, and contacts only, visible on Skype, contacts only, this option. So Skype name I have already said, which is the name which people can use to search for you. So this is the email address you have sent in. You can just copy it or edit it now, and you have your location, you have your date of birth here, and down you have Skype to phone or rates, right? You can add funds here. You can get a second Skype number here, and your profile. Okay, opening in browser. I don't want it. You can edit it in your browser only, not in your desktop app. So your account, manage your payments and subscriptions, and delete your account. You can close your account, I mean delete it. So now general, this is the language. Automatically start Skype when starting Windows, so that should be done in settings of our device. So launch Skype in background. Upon closing, keep Skype running. So these features are turned on. I now need this one. So now share location with Bing is sharing the location, which will be used to share your location to your contact. Accessibility is keyboard shortcuts. We'll see all the keyboard shortcuts for our Skype here. This is translation settings. You can just see what are the features there. And appearance, so this is the theme. So if you click on this, it will make these details purple. System settings, that is. So if I click on this dark circle with dark, it will change it to dark mode and light mode. So this is the light mode. Light mode and dark mode. Okay, dark mode mostly uses this one. Purple, pink, blue, any color you want you can use. After this, go on to high contrast color, light. So this is somewhat very bright, and this is, I don't know whether to mention this is bright or dark. Looks crazy. After this, last message author, avatar in group. So you can see that profile of the person who sent the message at last in your groups. Okay, so this is split view mode, which I use to hide the contacts. After this, you have your, I'll be back to use system settings. My system is in dark mode. After this, yeah, now enable compact list mode is, it will be compact, I mean it will be very small, everything. I don't like that. Show user and conversation icons is that icon only. Let's close it, turn it off. Okay, turn it on. After this, enable split mode, which was the thing I used to hide my contacts in my another account. Click on this and you will see what happens. See this, your contacts are in this more view, and your when you click on a contact, it will open a separate window here and it will be seen here. So this is called split view mode. To turn this off back, click on settings. Okay, settings already open, right? I need to open it again. Go to appearance, okay, now turn this off and boom, we get it back. Click on this and you have the other options. Audio and video is what we do when we sign in for the first time. I get my video here. You see my camera here. Okay, it's OBS original camera, this is HD camera, and this is blur background. So you see my background is blur, right? It's not that accurate in my system because it's not that powerful. You see this one, it's looking good. This one, you have a lot of options here. These three dots. Okay, this is holidays, this is others. See this one, so if you go up and go back, so you see this is my favorite one. So after this, if you go down, you have many other features, but here you have option to add a background. So click on this Tech Planet and come back. Okay, I'm in front of my desktop background. So right, I don't need to play with this anymore. So this is a microphone, and you can reduce the volume of your microphone here. Okay, not microphone, sorry, speakers. So you can reduce the volume. You can test your audio here. Sorry, it was really loud. Okay, unmute for incoming calls. Okay, let it be on. I might be on mute on calls. Ring on additional devices, that is, if I turn this on, it will not only ring on my computer, but if I have the same account in my mobile, it will also ring there. So that's ring on additional. So this is the free test call. So that will be a call, and you have to talk in that call. It will check and inform. So now calling, as we saw before, and now messaging is read recipient. Send and receive read recipient in chat with 20 or fewer people. So read receipts, these are receipts. It's already enabled for me. Large emojis, so something like this. It's large, right? So if I turn this off, everything is small. Allow this large ones. Web link preview is so website I send or receive, it will show a preview of it somewhat. Okay. Text size is normal. I want it to be smaller. It is somewhat, and you see here, play smaller, larger. Click on larger, and you see it's very, very big, right? So there. I'll click on normal back, and then so enter key sends the message, and shift or control or alt plus enter will insert a new line. So that's good. Paste copied messages as codes. Okay, copied messages will be pasted as codes. Okay. Auto download photos will download the photos automatically. Download files also will download the files automatically. When I receive a file, it should be in downloads folder. Okay, I agree. Good option. So this is notifications. You can go through it. Explaining everything is really tough, right? So blocked contacts you can see here, and privacy is here. Add a mobile number, and then you can see help and feedback here. This is about the version of Skype and other helps, terms of use and third party notices, privacy and cookies, and every other options. Okay, that's all about Skype. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this every week. I'll be posting one video every time I get, so make sure to be the first one to see by hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon turned on, and share with this video with your friends and family so that they can sign into Skype and start chatting with them. I'm waiting for. Let's move on. Thank you. Bye.